So in last lecture, when I was discussing the control of tuberculosis, I told you that tuberculosis control can be done in two ways. Number one is case finding and proper treatment of the tuberculosis. And number two is preventive treatment in the form of vaccination called as BCG. Short note is always asked in every alternate examination on BCG. So BCG is widely given and it is compulsory in our country, or to be specific in South Asian countries like India, Pakistan, Myanmar, Afghanistan, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan. So in these countries, because tuberculosis is more commonly seen in these parts of the world, in this part of the world. So BCG is a vaccine which is given for prevention of getting the infection from the Mycobacterium tuberculosis. So to avoid the tuberculosis infection by the Mycobacterium tuberculosis bacilli, this vaccine called as BCG is given. What is the long form of BCG? This long form is asked to each and every student in Viva City. Bacillus camate gurine. Bacillus means bacilli. Camate and gurine are these two scientists, French scientists, who discovered this BCG. What BCG contains? BCG contains the live bovine Mycobacterium tuberculosis bacilli. Remember, what vaccine we are given is, it contains live bovine type of Mycobacterium tuberculosis bacilli. Bovine type means this bacilli is derived from animal. I told you, bovine tuberculosis and human tuberculosis. So bovine tuberculosis bacilli, which is derived from the animal, from that this BCG vaccine is, this BCG vaccine contains. It contains live bacilli. Remember, why live bacilli? Because we inject these live bacilli in the body of the newborn to develop the antibodies against the Mycobacterium tuberculosis infection. So next is, what is the history of this BCG? History is long back in the year of 1921. I told you, Robert Koch first time named this Mycobacterium tuberculosis bacilli in 1884. History of tuberculosis is very long. In 1884, Robert Koch first time labeled this bacilli as a Mycobacterium tuberculosis and proved that this bacilli causes tuberculosis infection. After that, the study was going on to find out the better vaccination. So in 1921, first time BCG vaccination started. Initially, this BCG was given orally, through oral route. But after 4 or 5 years, that has proved that BCG has become ineffective, because even if after giving the dose of BCG orally, the antibodies level was not attained. So then again study started, and in 1928, this vaccine the scientists started giving this vaccine intradermally. And that type of intradermal BCG vaccine, route of administration of intradermal BCG vaccine, proved better antibodies against the Mycobacterium tuberculosis bacilli, and this was accepted worldwide in 1948. Remember, in 1948, 1921 to 48, almost 27 years, it has been approved by WHO. 1921 oral, 1928 intradermal, but approved by WHO and all the scientists all over the world, they proved that this given BCG vaccine is 100% sure. So it will definitely work against not to get the tuberculosis once the BCG vaccine is given to the individual. So up till now, if you go in the history of the vaccination, it takes minimum 7 years, 5 years, 10 years, 13, 15, 27 years. So tuberculosis vaccination took 27 years for getting the approval. So at that time, science was also not much forward. But today we get the recent knowledges, and in the first time in the history of vaccination, COVID vaccination by our scientists in our India, they developed this vaccine within 1 year, Covaxin and Covishield, which is more effective than the other type of vaccines like Moderna, Pfizer, and so on. So remember, to develop the vaccine takes lot of years, and those years has to be counted. But this is the first time Indian brain has proved that we can develop the vaccine. Again, remember, whatever the vaccination is done throughout the world, our Indian vaccine center, which is situated at Pune Serum Institute, Adar Poonawalla, he supplies 65% of the total vaccines which are needed in the world. Maybe BCG or measles, mumps, rubella, or a COVID or a polio, any vaccine. So we are master in providing in manufacturing and providing the vaccine in the world. So this BCG vaccine in our India, first time manufactured at a place called as Guindy, Guindy, at near Madras, and this has proved effectiveness. What this contains, as I told you, this is a bovine type of Mycobacterium tuberculosis. So antigen has to be prepared, live bacilli, and that antigen is called as WHO 1331, which has been accepted by WHO. This Danish 1331 strain of bovine tuberculosis bacilli accepted as an antigen for giving the BCG vaccination, and this has proved 100%. Next is what is the time of administration. In newborn, this vaccine is administered, dose is 0.05 ml. Special syringe is used for administration of this vaccine called as tuberculin syringe. So on that tuberculin syringe, 1 ml, in 1 ml they have made other 10 parts. So you can calculate the 0.05 ml which has to be given at birth to the newborn intradermally at the left deltoid area. You just have a look to your left deltoid area. There is a permanent scar of BCG vaccine. You just confirm. Everybody has it. Because nobody asks you whether you want vaccine or not. So, newborn 0.05 ml dose. Up to 4 weeks, 0.1 ml intramuscular dose. When it is given at 4 weeks, other vaccines like polio, that is also given along with this. That is called as combination of the vaccine. When I will discuss this polio, I will go in detail. So, time is there. Site is now what is the phenomenon of vaccine. Once this vaccine 0.05 ml is given at the left deltoid area, intradermally, small papule is raised above the skin level. So this swelling, erythema, papule remains there for 1 to 3 weeks. After that, After 4 to 5 weeks, this burst open and ulcer formation occurs. Wound, ulcer formation occurs, and that ulcer heals by scar formation, and that scar is permanent at the left deltoid area. So this is a routine normal phenomena of BCG. Sometimes what happens is, after giving this BCG, this ulcer takes lot of time for healing purpose. Then what to do? That ulcer dressing has to be done with PAS, that is pyrazinamide powder, and streptomycin powder, which is given injectably, and ulcer heals. What are the side effects of this? Sometimes baby may get the fever, pain at the injection site, axillary lymphadenopathy. So this is all the normal phenomena. But guaranteed vaccine not to get the infection of Mycobacterium tuberculosis bacillus. So this is the phenomenon. Now, how many years? For how many years this BCG vaccine gives the protection? It has been proved by the proved by the scientists and accepted by the WHO that this vaccine gives the protection against the tuberculosis minimum for 15 to 20 years. If required, that can be repeated after 20 years. So this is all about the BCG. Prepare the BCG for examination.